With the MagicWidget RSS reader, you can display data from the RSS feed of your choice in one of the overlay regions in your project. It's easy to do, so let's go over how it works. You'll need two things for this: the RSStoCrawl widget, available from MagicBox as an optional add-on to the Aavelin system, and the URL or address of the RSS feed you wish to display. This can be generated by your company or organization, or it can be something that's publicly available. Just be aware of the restrictions on copyrighted material if you're rebroadcasting someone else's information for anything other than private use. Let's begin by opening the project that we want the feed displayed in. We're going to open up a page in the project and click on the Insert Flash button. Let's go ahead and browse to where the RSStoCrawl widget is located. So we're going to select it and then click on the OK button. Now, the widget appears on the page, but don't worry, it's not going to be seen during playback. Once this project is published over to the Aavelin, when this page comes up, the widget will be invisible. It won't be seen. Its only purpose is going to be to bring in that RSS data behind the scenes. So, for this reason, I would recommend placing it on one of the first pages in the project so it can get that data feed loaded early in that rotation. Each time the page with the widget does come up, the feed is going to be checked again for new data, and it will be brought in if it's available. So what we need to do is complete the fields here in the widget. So you can type in or paste the address of an RSS feed that you want to display. You can add a prefix to it so that you can say what it is actually. So we'll say top news stories. That prefix will be displayed before the content of the RSS feed. And then you can specify whether you want to use the titles, the descriptions, or both from the article. And then we simply click on the Save button. So with the widget placed on a page and those fields completed, the only thing left to do is tell the project where to place the RSS data that's going to be coming in. For a general overlay, or for a general refresher on how overlay regions work, check out the other tutorial videos in the overlay region section. So let's click on Project Properties, go to the Overlay Region tab, select the region where the feed is going to be displayed, and we're going to add a new item to this region. We'll just go ahead and put it in T1, so we'll click on Add. And under Type, we're going to select TXStream Data Service and select from this drop-down list TXStream 4. Now, TXStream 4 specifically has been reserved or pre-programmed to specifically look for data from the RSS widget. So an active TXStream subscription for this particular item is not required. So with that finished, simply close all the dialogues. We're going to save the project, exit, and then we can publish that over to the player system. Once we do that, we'll see the RSS data appear in the crawl as scheduled. It may take an extra cycle through the project for the RSS data to appear once you do actually get it published over to the system.